Yeah, it makes my V6 look not so cool. Alright, we get it. You got a V8. I don't know if you know this, but we can see your butt. Look at him. He's got a puppy. Hey, puppy.
Smile for the camera.
Yeah. Camera? Let's smile. Oh, you are smiling. Look at you. What's going on, everybody? Back with another episode of Bill Boose. My name is Dylan, but you call me Boose. And today we are here at A1CC Christian Car Detailing. So it's been a long time coming. I needed my car detailed, especially for Wham before that shows up. You don't want to bring a dirty car up there to the car show because nobody likes a dirty car at the car show. Anyways, we finally got here and we're cleaning this up, and I wanted to show you guys the process of what these guys do up here because these guys are freaking pristine. Let me tell you about it. They are witty, they are snappy, they are very chill, very mellow place to work at. I would love to work out here if I didn't have my current job. So Christian Car Detailing, Robertson, if you guys ever need an extra man, I got you, man. I can at least get some cars dirty for you and then bring it back up here. And then after that, we gotta go get the car registered for the WamShow. I gotta pick up the registration anyways, and then I gotta pick up the VIP pass to get that all going. And that way we don't have to do it early in the morning because I already have to be up here at 7 a.m. in the morning. And then I'll be peachy. We'll be at WamShow. We'll be looking at all the nice cars. We'll be freestyling. It'll be the home stretch, and we'll get to go on the racetrack as well. So we're doing laps for vets. If I can spit those words out, we can get those going. Go ahead and see what they got going on here because they've already been cleaning and doing their thing for like, 4 or 5 hours already at this point. I mean, they've been working on it. You guys saw what it was before. The mud that's been sitting on there since Mike's place. It was even muddy. It's a little competition, but they said it wasn't the worst. So that's all that I care about. As long as it's not the worst, and I'm the best, right? Or it's the best, and I'm the best. You guys are the best. Anyways, let's go take a look. Let's see what they're up to.
Off-roading because I took it off-roading, and then at one point I was like, screw it, and just just
Full send, man.
Oh yeah, every time. But I did have to remind myself I gotta drive it home.
That's me. It's mostly my wife that tells me that.
Yeah.
Oh, look at him. He's got a puppy. Hey, puppy.
Smile for the camera.
Yeah. Camera? Let's smile. Oh, you are smiling. Look at you. You ain't got to shop unless you have a shop dog. Look at you. Oh. Oh.
TikTok challenger here. This is Dylan.
What's up?
So he was just filming Remy, and Remy smiled for the
camera. He did. He gave cheeses. Oh, yeah.
We're gonna lift my Camaro next. Or your Tesla. That's how you break the internet.
Heck yeah.
Right?
With the Tesla, put some 33s on it.
Yes.
We'll be set on that one. I'm gonna come up here and get better shots to see if I fall and bust my butt. We've got some engine parts up here. I feel like I'm creeping up here, just watching everybody like, don't mess up down there. I better not see one scratch. There's plenty of scratches. It's a joke. It's satire. We'll call this Boose's OnlyFans. I don't know if you know this, but we can see your butt. I don't know if you guys should feel honored or what for being the first people who actually like detail the car, or I should feel bad about myself for never detailing my car. Oh, that's just
great fuel mileage.
That's just weight reduction right there.
Yeah. Just Fred Flintstone it.
Yeah.
It's light enough.
All you need is a transmission so you can switch gears and make it easier for your feet to pedal.
Yeah.
How bad is it? What are we saying? Oh, god dang! Holy crap! So that's the old, and then they what kind of treatment is that?
Solution finish.
Solution finish.
Fancy stuff.
That is fancy stuff. That's before and then that's after. That's like years of neglect, and then we actually care about your car right there. God dang, look at that. That's pretty freaking cool right there. I like that. It does turn a brand new, man. That's what I said. Come to these guys and they'll take care of you. I didn't know you can do that to the car. I usually use spray paint.
I don't blame you.
I finally cleaned the steering wheel that's been neglected for like over a year.
Yeah. Well, you don't wear makeup, so I don't have to scrub it.
I guess that's a good thing. Just wipe off the mud. That's the best part. Holy good God. That thing is I don't think I've ever seen this Challenger this clean before. This is probably the first time I've ever seen it clean. I've had a spray wash with a brush and everybody's been giving me hell about that thing, but look, the inside. Guys, look at that. There's no mud on the steering wheel anymore. No mud on the side doors. The floors, I can see the floors. That is, and it smells good. A1CC Detailing right there. Look, we even got the Chevy and Dodge side by side. I need to get rid of that V6. Yeah, it makes my V6 look not so cool. All right, we get it. You got a V8. Wanted to give a little heads up about what A1CC is all about. I'm going to toss the camera over to the big man himself and let you know a little about the YouTube people about what he does here.
We're located in Granbury, Texas. We do full interior details, paint correction, ceramic coatings, RVs, boats, planes, motorcycles, you name it, we've detailed it most likely.
The planes, man, that's got me, man.
For sure. Yeah, we got it all cleaned up, got a little bit less mud on there, and happy to do it.
I'd say so. That thing's shining like a pearl in the pearly diamonds right there. That's what I tell you about. Do you have any other platforms that you go on? Instagram, Facebook?
Yeah, so our Facebook's A1 Christian Car Detailing. Instagram is also A1 Christian Car Detailing. TikTok's A1CC Detail. Yeah, follow us on those and see more cool cars like lifted Challengers and such.
Yeah, lifted Challengers. Oh, and you heard it. Go show their account some love, man. Like, blow that up. I want to see his notifications just going berserker. This will definitely look a lot better at WamShow than when I had it beforehand.
All right.
All right, guys. Well, that's it for this video. You know the drill. It's a good day for a good day. Like, subscribe, do all your shit, and I love you. I'll see you next time.